One day, someone called and told the rescuers about this very skinny dog. Takis went and found Figo in the styre. The dog was malnourished and full of wounds, but was very friendly. Hundreds of fleas were running up and down his skin. When Figo came into Taki's home, he went and sat in the cat's sand.
Doing there? You're in a home now, you're not outside. Hey, you're in a home now, you don't need to sleep there.
He was so used to sleeping on the ground, or maybe he didn't want to cause trouble.
About this nice soft bed, huh? You like it?
Figo slept well that night, his first night in a home. The next day, he discovered his first favorite thing, food. It's impossible for Figo to be around food and not to eat. At first, he was a bit shy. But then he discovered his second favorite thing, hugs. He really loves hugs. Figo is a serial hugger. Figo is a very happy dog. He is always playing and wanting hugs.